A spray gun is a versatile tool commonly used in hardware for applying paint, varnish, or other coatings. Its primary advantage lies in its ability to deliver a smooth, even finish over large surfaces, making it ideal for tasks like painting walls, furniture, or even automobiles. With adjustable nozzles and pressure settings, users can control the flow and pattern of the spray, ensuring precision and efficiency in their projects. Modern spray guns come in various types, such as airless, HVLP, high-volume low-pressure, and pneumatic. Each type caters to different needs. Airless spray guns are perfect for high-speed applications on large surfaces. HVLP guns are known for their fine finish and minimal overspray, making them suitable for detailed work, and pneumatic spray guns rely on compressed air, offering a balance between speed and finish quality. Proper maintenance, including regular cleaning and timely replacement of worn-out parts, ensures the spray gun remains effective and durable. Using a spray gun can significantly reduce the time and effort required for painting tasks compared to traditional brushes or rollers. It's essential, however, to wear appropriate safety gear, such as masks and goggles, to protect against inhaling fumes and fine particles. Whether for professional contractors or DIY enthusiasts, a spray gun is an indispensable tool that enhances the quality and speed of painting projects.